Good morning, students. Today we will begin our new chapter, chapter 9, decimals. So, what is decimals? A fraction with denominator like 10, 100 or 1000 is called decimal number or simply decimals. Okay, so actually this decimal is actually another form of the fractions. Okay, so but it is the special type of a fraction whose denominator is multiples of 10 like 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 whose denominator multiples of 10. Okay, so just what is decimal? So decimal are a part of whole thing. What is decimal? It is a part. Decimal are the part of whole things. They are a little like fraction, but we write them in different way. As I mentioned that decimal is similarly it is like a fraction, but we are writing in a different way. So that is your decimal. Okay. Now you can see here decimal number have decimal point. Decimal number have decimal point. You can see this is the decimal point. You can see these dots are the decimal point. These dots are the decimal point. You can see here. Okay, this separates the whole number on the left. So in the left this 4 is the whole number, and in the right 6 is your decimal part. This is your decimal part. This separate whole number on the left from the part on the right. Okay, so this part numbers, this part number is nothing but it is the decimal part. This part is here, all this, these all are the decimal part, means right side of the decimal. They all are the decimal part. This decimal point, right side of the decimal point, all these numbers or digits, they are the decimal part, and the left side of the decimal, these are the whole parts, whole numbers. Okay, so this is about the decimal. Some more things we should know. In the another way also you can understand what is decimal. A decimal is similar to a fraction. It's not a whole number. It's not exactly whole number because it is a mix of both. It is the both. It is a mix of whole part as well as the decimal part. Rather than saying 1 by 2, we can say 0.050 because half we can say 0.5. Instead of writing 1 by 10, we can say 1/10 or 0.1. It's simply another form of fraction. Okay, so I think you are clear about what is decimal about. Okay, so these two here the these two are the definition for you, so you can understand it better. Okay, now next is that, as I mentioned, that whole part and the decimal part. So whole part, you can see this is the whole part, this is your decimal part. Decimal part means after decimal point, means the right side of the decimal point, they all are called the decimal part, and the left side of the decimal, that all are called the whole part. So in this by this table, by this color box, you can understand it. So here you can see 17 whole number, 17 whole. So you can see this total boxes are here 17 whole boxes. So they are whole means fully there. They are not been divided. They are total 17 are there. It is full total. Now there is the point. So see, this is the point is there. Just same like the point here. This point. Okay. Now here you can see 4 8. Okay, there is the 4, then after 8. So this 4 means this 4 is at the 10th place. Okay, that is not called tens. 10th, th is there, te and th, 10th. Okay, so this box is divided in total 10 part, means 10 parts. One, you can count it also, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So this box is divided into how many parts? 10 part. Okay, and after decimal we are not saying tens, we are calling 10th. Okay, and there is how many? 4. So you can see 4 are shaded. You can see how many part are shaded? 4 part. So it denotes that 4 by 10. Okay, so this denotes that 4 out of 10th. Okay, now then after 8 is there, then after you can see 8 is there. Now this 8 means, now this after 10 there is the 100. So we will call 100th. Okay, 100th. Okay, th is there, 100th, because if we are counting in the whole number part, we are what we are calling ones, tens, 100. But after decimal means right side of the decimal, if we will count like this, we will say there will be no any ones. It will start with the 10th. This 4 is at the 10th place, 8 is at the 100th place. Okay, so this total, it is divided into how many parts? 100 part. Okay, and there is the 8, so 8 will be the shaded one. You can check that 8 is shaded part and total is 100, so it is actually 8 by 100. So total was 100. Total how many boxes? 100 boxes. So 100 and shaded was 8, so 8 by 100. So it means 17 whole, 4 by 10 and 8 by 100. So this is to so that 17.48. Okay, 17.48. One thing also I want to mention, that when you will read the number, suppose 4.5, so how you will read? 4.5. You will say that 4.5. If the number like this 4.2, so what you will read it? 4.52? No, you will not say 4.52. You have to read 4.52. 4.52 means डेसिमल के बाद लेफ्ट साइड में जितने भी डिजिट आएंगे उसको आप 1 बाय 1 करके रीड करेंगे. ऐसा नहीं 52. अगर ऐसा होता 4.5268, आप ऐसा नहीं पढ़ेंगे 4.5268. ऐसा नहीं, आपको कैसे पढ़ना है? 4.5268 एक एक करके पढ़ना है. ठीक है, 4.5268. वैसे ही इसको भी पढ़ेंगे 4.52. ठीक है, अगर ऐसा होता 26, ऐसा होता तो क्या पढ़ते? इसको पूरा पढ़ेंगे 14.26. मीन्स जो होल पार्ट में है आप उसको पूरा पढ़ेंगे, और जो डेसिमल के राइट साइड में आ रहा है, डेसिमल के बाद जो आ रहा है उसको एक एक डिजिट करके पढ़ेंगे. ठीक है, ओके. नाउ दिस इज अबाउट होल पार्ट एंड डेसिमल पार्ट. आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड इट. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज also you can understand by this definition of decimal. The word decimal really means based on 10. So what is the meaning actually? The decimal based on 10. From Latin word decima. Decima means a 10th part. Decima means a 10th part. We sometimes say decimal when we mean anything to do with our numbering system, but a decimal number usually means there is a decimal point. So whenever we are calling about decimal, so it means we are talking about the decimal point. We are talking about the decimal point, that small one, this point. This we are talking about this decimal point. Got it? Okay. Now you can understand it from here also. Now you can see, as I told that this is your you can call it ones place, tens place, but after decimal, this side, right side, this is called 10th place. This is called tenth. After that, hundreds. Okay, so here also more explanation is here. This is same like as we have just discussed. So this is the 40 part. So total 40 whole part. 5. So 5 this 5 is the part of 10. Sorry, this 45 means this exactly 40 whole part. This 45 we are explaining. So 40 is exactly whole part. 5 is exactly whole part, means 5 part exactly. Now after this, you can see after the decimal is 6. So 6 is means 10th part of, that is the 6 by 10. So you can see this is the 6 part of the 10th. So this is not a whole part, this is a fraction part, this is the decimal part. Okay, 6 by 10. Okay, whole part we will write the whole, and that means total boxes is 10 and it is how many shaded? Total 6. Okay, next we have, you can understand it here also. Some we can continue with the smaller and the is a value. So you can see that smaller and smaller value from the 10th and 100. So this is the ones place, you know, this is the 10th place. Okay, this you know very well. Now this is the decimal point. Now the first we call the 10th, so 1 by 10. Then after we call it, this is the, this 5 is called 10th place. This 9 we call 100th place, means 1 by 100, and this 1 we call 1 by 1000, means thousandth place. Okay, okay, so after decimal how you read? This is the first we call 10th. Second, from this side we will start reading. This is called 5 is called 10th place, 9 is called 1 by 100th place, and 1 is called 1 by 1000, means thousandth place. Similarly this side you know to how to read the whole number. This is the ones place, tens place, then after will be 100,000. Okay, so like that. So you can understand by this arrow ahead also. If you will move this side, this arrow, this is the 10 into x bigger, means that will be bigger by the multiple of 10. That will be bigger by the multiple of 10. And this side you will move, so that will be, you will be smaller by the multiple of 10. So this is about the decimal, to how to read and how to uh, write the, and uh, which part is the decimal part, which is the whole part, you understand, I think. Okay, now you here from the your book you can see this is the decimal part, whole part. Already you have studied like 10th part, ones part, 10th. Okay, 10th. Now this is 1 by 10th, you can write here 1 by 10. This is, you can see here 1/10 means 1 by 10, it means 0.1, or we can write 0.1. 4/10 means 4 by 10, so how you will write 0.4 and 0.4. One more thing I want to add, you just understand it. If how to write the decimal, सिर्फ सब 4.10, अगर ये 4/10 दिया हुआ, इसको आप कैसे लिखे 0.4, इसको क्यों लिखे ऐसा 0.4? ठीक है, आप इसको हमेशा जब भी अगर ऐसा, अगर एक नंबर होता है 3, ठीक है, इसको आपको डेसिमल में लिखना होता है 3 को, ठीक है। ये 3 क्या है, होल नंबर, इसको भी आप डेसिमल में लिख सकते हो। कैसे, इसको आप लिख सकते हो 3.0, ठीक है। 3.0 इसका भी मतलब 3 हुआ, ठीक है। मीन्स पॉइंट के राइट साइड में हमने 0 डाला, इसका मतलब कुछ भी नहीं है, मीन्स ये 3 है, बट डेसिमल के फॉर्म में ही हो गया, ठीक है। सिर्फ 0.4 हम लोग नहीं लिखेंगे, जैसे हम लोग यहाँ पे भी लिखा ना, ये भी सेम ही है, बट इट इज़ नॉट गुड वे ऑफ राइटिंग, ये अच्छा तरीका नहीं लिखने का। तो आप क्या करेंगे, इसके सामने एक 0 लगा देंगे, ठीक है। इससे क्या होगा, इट लुक्स गुड एंड इट इज़ अ प्रॉपर स्टैंडर्ड वे ऑफ राइटिंग। सो अभी हम लोग सीखेंगे ये पॉइंट को कैसे लिखते हैं, ठीक है। 4/10 था, 0.4 कैसे हो गया। तो पहले क्या करना है आपको, ये जो ऊपर में जो न्यूमरेटर पार्ट है आपका, न्यूमरेटर पार्ट में कितना है, 4 है, आप पूरा 4 लिख दो ऐसे, ठीक है। अभी आपको क्या करना है, अब आपको डिनोमिनेटर पार्ट में काउंट करना है कितना ज़ीरो है, कितना ज़ीरो है इसके। पहले तो आपको देखना है डिनोमिनेटर पार्ट में क्या होना चाहिए, 10 का मल्टीपल, लाइक 10, 100, 1000। हमेशा डिनोमिनेटर पार्ट में किसका मल्टीपल होना चाहिए, 10 का, ठीक है। ठीक है, यहाँ पे 10 का मल्टीपल है। इसके बाद काउंट करेंगे कितना ज़ीरो है, 1 0। अब हम लोग यहाँ से इसमें काउंटिंग करना स्टार्ट करेंगे, इसमें इस 4 में। तो 4 का जितना जीरो है उतना डिजिट काउंट करेंगे, तो 1 डिजिट हो गया, 1 0 था, 1 डिजिट। इसके बाद वहाँ पे पॉइंट लगा देंगे इसके जस्ट बाद, ठीक है। तो ये हो गया। अभी ये 0.4 हो गया, आपको हमने जस्ट अभी बताया था कि 0.4 हम लोग सिर्फ नहीं लिखेंगे, क्यों, इट इज़ नॉट ए स्टैंडर्ड वे। तो क्या करेंगे, इसके आगे एक 0 लगा देंगे, वी जस्ट प्लेस पुट 1 0, सो इट्स आंसर इज 0.4। वन मोर एग्जाम्पल, जस्ट सी, I just took one number 6 by suppose 100 and you have to write in the decimal. How you will write? तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मैंने क्या बताया, ये 6 को आप पहले जैसा है वैसे लिख दो, ठीक है। अब आपको नीचे चेक करना है डिनोमिनेटर पार्ट में 10 का मल्टीपल है या नहीं। यस, 10 का मल्टीपल है 100, ठीक है। अभी इसमें काउंट करो कितना ज़ीरो है, 1 2 0 है। अभी आप इसको काउंटिंग करो, मीन्स हमेशा राइट से लेफ्ट, मीन्स इधर से काउंट करके जाना है, ठीक है, डिजिट में। तो पहला पॉइंट 1, कितना जीरो था, 2 0, तो 1 2। अब यहाँ पे कुछ नहीं है मिस, तो वहाँ पे 0 डाल दो, कुछ नहीं है तो 0। यहाँ पे कितना 0 था, 2 0, तो हमने इसमें कितना काउंटिंग किया, 2 1 2। देन आफ्टर अभी क्या करना है, ओवर हो गया काउंटिंग, उसके बाद डेसिमल डाल दो, ठीक है। इसके बाद ये स्टैंडर्ड वे नहीं है, तो एक और एक्स्ट्रा 0 इधर डाल देंगे, इसका आंसर ये हो गया 0.06। सेम ऐसे ही किसी भी नंबर का लिख सकते हैं। अगर होता 75/10, ठीक है, इसको कैसे लिखेंगे, सेम पहले आप जो भी न्यूमरेटर पार्ट में उसको लिख दो 75, ठीक है। 9 अभी क्या करना है, इसमें चेक करना है डिनोमिनेटर पार्ट में 10 का मल्टीपल है, यहाँ है, कितना ज़ीरो है इधर, आप यू जस्ट सी दैट हाउ मेनी जीरोज आर देयर, 1 0। तो हम लोग इधर फिर से कहाँ से काउंट करेंगे, राइट टू लेफ्ट, सो 1 0 मीन्स 1 एक डिजिट को काउंट किया, उसके बाद ओवर हो गया, तो जहाँ पे ओवर हुआ वहाँ पे पॉइंट डाल दो बीच में, तो 7.5 इज द आंसर। गॉट इट। वन मोर एग्जाम्पल, यू जस्ट we will do, suppose 62 6 डिवाइडेड बाय 1000. सो फर्स्ट जो भी न्यूमरेटर पार्ट में 67 आप लिख दो, डिनोमिनेटर पार्ट में चेक करो कितने का 10 का मल्टीपल है. यस, इट इज़ अ मल्टीपल ऑफ 10. हाउ मेनी जीरोस? 1 2 3. सो नाउ काउंट 3 डिजिट, 1 डिजिट, 2 डिजिट, नाउ 3 डिजिट. देयर इज नथिंग, यहाँ पे कुछ नहीं है तो आप जीरो डाल दो. ठीक है, देन आफ्टर ओवर नाउ पुट द जीरो, sorry, put the point. Now just one extra zero you just write in the standard way. So this is your answer. Okay, so likewise you can convert the decimal to fraction to the decimal. Okay, now, so I hope you understand. So you can write this one, how to write this 5 by 10. So 5 is the whole part, so that 5 is written like that, and 0.0 1.10, it means 1 plus 1, this means 1 plus 1 by 10. So 1 you write separately here, and 1 by 10 means 0.1. 7, so 7 is the whole part, so 7 will be as it is. You can check 7 is as it is. Now 8 by 10, so that is 0.8, so 7.8. So likewise you can write it. Okay, now just see one more thing here. This is the one more conversion is there here. Okay, so these things we will study after later on. Some we will solve in the next exercise also. How do I compare the order and decimal? Suppose 7.3 and 7.03, we have to compare which is the larger one. First of all, we have to organize the point, write the number vertically by lining up. मीन्स वर्टिकल में लिख देना, मीन्स एक के ऊपर नीचे लिखना, मीन्स एक ऊपर एक उसके नीचे. तो पहला वाला नंबर था, इसको यहाँ पे लिखा, सेकंड वाला इसको यहाँ लिखा, वर्टिकल हो गया. अब देखो दोनों में इक्वल नहीं हो रहा है, अब क्या करना है, उसको इक्वलाइज करना. व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, वी हैव टू इक्वलाइज. इक्वलाइज मीन्स इसमें कितना मिसिंग था, यहाँ पर इसमें एक पॉइंट मिसिंग है, यहाँ पे एक जीरो होना चाहिए था, तो हमने यहाँ पे जीरो ऐड कर दिया. अभी देखो ये एग्जैक्टली सिमिलर हो गया, इक्वलाइज हो गया, सेम नंबर सेम डिजिट. नाउ वी कैन कंपेयर, वी कैन ऑर्डर इट. ऑर्डर मीन्स आपको पता है कंपेयरिंग कैसे करते हैं. पहले 7 7 कंपेयर होगा होल नंबर, दोनों इक्वल था. उसके बाद जस्ट उसका 10th प्लेस वाला, तो 10th में यहाँ पे 3 है, यहाँ पे 0 है, तो ये वाला बड़ा हो गया. सो दिस इज ऑर्डरिंग. सो अबाउट दिस how to compare the decimal we will also study. We will solve some question on this also. This is the chart for this is the whole part, decimal part. You can see after the decimal 10th, 100th, 1000 like this. This is the conversion 1 by 2. So we will just here is the 1 by 2. So in the denominator part you can see there is a 2. So we will try to make the denominator multiples of 10. So we just put arrange multiplied by 5 in both numerators and denominators. Then after we have solved. So you just practice it, and this table you write in your copy and learn this, practice it. Okay, this all the values you have to write down, this all the values you should have to write. You just check these values. Okay, now we will solve the exercise 9a. So now I think very easily now you can solve exercise 9a. Here you can see this, the total is 10. There is there how many total boxes? 10. How many shaded? 6. So 6 by 10 you can write. You know how to convert it already. I just know I taught it. Now B number, you can see how many total, you just count it. Total again there is a 10. How many shaded? You just check that how many shaded. 2 are shaded, so just you write here 2 by 10. So 2 by 10 means you just write first 2. How many zeros are there? 1 0. So it means there will be after 1 point there will be the decimal and 0. So 0.2. Similarly here, how many total spokes are there? You just count it. You will get the 10. How many shaded? 4. So 4 by 10. So this 4 by 10 is 0.4. Okay. This is the 0.4. Okay. So likewise you can solve this A, B, C, D, all this. Okay. You can count, and here you can just see I just solve here. Total, this is the whole part, all are shaded, this is the whole part means this is the 1. You have to write the 1. This is the 1 box, this is the 1 box, this is the 1 box, this combinedly 1 box. So 1 plus, now this box you can see how many divided, it is divided into 10, and how many shaded? 3. So write 3 by 10. So 1 plus 3 by 10, it means you write just 1 plus 3 by 10 means 0.3, because there is a 1 0, so you can write it 1.3. its answer will be 1.2. sorry 1.3. Similarly also you can do, all are shaded, so it means this is the 1 plus, and here again how many shaded, count it, so you will get here 8 are shaded, so 8 by 10. So now solve 1 plus 0.8, okay, 0.8, so this is 0.8, so it means 1.8 is the answer of, okay. So this is actually, this is the total, is the one whole are shaded, whole part, so one part is there, so just we have taken one. If it is two boxes, same type of two boxes are there, so 1 plus 1 we will take, it means we will take 2, okay. Now question number 2, you can see fraction, you have to write down this fraction, you can write it like 6 by 10, so 0.6 you know how to write it, okay. So likewise you can do like here you can see 11 by 10, 11 by 10 means first we write the 11, okay. Now 0 is there, so after we will counting, just now I taught about this, how to write the fraction to decimal, so you can do it. Number 3, write the numbers name, means you have to write in the word, so like 0.1, 1.6, this is what you have to write, 0. So write 0.4, okay, 0.4 you can write, so like this is 18.5, you have to write 18.5. I told that already, I taught about how to write. Suppose number is like 18.235, how you will write, you have to write it 18.235. if the number is 7.234, so how you will write it, you have to write it, how you will write, so this whole part you will write the same, so write here 7 point, okay. Now after that you don't write 234, you have to write like 7.23 and 4, okay. So like this 7.234 is the, it's you have to write in the word like this, okay. Now number 4, set the reason given below decimal, you have to, so 0.8 means what, 8 by 10, point made means one more here, I just want to just see, if 0.8, now this is in the decimal, now you have to write in the fraction, so how you will write, अभी डेसिमल में दिया है, आपको किस में लिखना है, फ्रैक्शन में, तो आप कैसे लिखेंगे, आपको सिंपली क्या करना है, जो भी नंबर यहाँ पे टोटल दिया हुआ, टोटल को पूरा लिख दो, डेसिमल को छोड़ के 0.8 आप पूरा लिख दो, ठीक है। अभी इसके बाद एक फ्रैक्शन में डिवाइड का साइन दे दो आप, ठीक है। अब आपको क्या करना है, इसका डेसिमल हटाना है, तो आप ऐसे करेंगे, मीन्स डेसिमल हटाए, जैसे ये रिमूव होगा इसके डिनोमिनेटर में एक 1 आ जाएगा, मीन्स यहाँ पे एक क्या आ जाएगा, 1, ठीक है। अब इसके बाद क्या करना है आपको, इस डेसिमल के बाद इस साइड में, इस राइट साइड में कितना डिजिट है वो काउंट करना है। अभी कितना डिजिट है, एक डिजिट है, तो एक 0 डालेंगे। अभी ये हो गया 0/8 मीन्स 0.8 मीन्स 8/10, 0.8 मीन्स नथिंग बट 8/10। एक और एग्जाम्पल हम लोग सॉल्व करते हैं, अगर होता 7.25, ठीक है, तो इसको कैसे सॉल्व करते, इसको फ्रैक्शन में कैसे लिखते, तो हमने क्या बताया आपको, सेम आपको लिख देना है, जो भी ये पार्ट है सेम आप लिख दो पूरा डेसिमल को छोड़ के, तो 725 हो गया 725, डिवाइड का साइन, ठीक है। अभी इस फ्रैक्शन को हटना है, ये सॉरी इस डेसिमल को हटना है, ये जैसे हटेगा तो यहाँ पे कितना आ जाएगा, यहाँ पे 1, इसको हटाएंगे 0.1। अब इसके बाद काउंट करेंगे कितना डिजिट है इसके डेसिमल के राइट साइड में, कितना डिजिट है, 2 डिजिट, 1 2, 2 डिजिट है, तो यहाँ पे 20 डाल देंगे, ये आपका फ्रैक्शन हो गया, ठीक है। एक और एग्जाम्पल करते हैं, अगर होता 3.52 ऐसा होता, ठीक है, 13.52, इसको आपको किस में लिखना था, फ्रैक्शन में, तो क्या करेंगे, पूरा नंबर आप पहले लिख दो डेसिमल को छोड़ के, तो 1325 लिख दिया हमने, डिवाइडेड। अभी हमें क्या करना है, डेसिमल हटेगा, जैसे डेसिमल हटेगा इसके डिनोमिनेटर पार्ट में क्या आ जाएगा, एक 1, ठीक है। नाउ आफ्टर डेसिमल हाउ मेनी डिजिट्स आर देयर, 1 2 2 मीन्स 20, you just write here, this is the fraction. So likewise you have to do, I hope you understand it. So similarly you can solve this question number 4, same you have to write, so 5/10, so here 0.5 means 5/10, so 5/10 means 5 parts you have to set, 1 2 3 4 5, so this 5 part you have to set it, so likewise you have to do. here is the 0.3, so means 3 by 10, so 3 part you have to set. Here is the 8, so 8 part you have to set. Okay, now question number 5. The ruler shows the whole numbers from the 0 to 5 and their 10th in the order. Here you can see this is the 0.2. So now what is the value of a? A means here is the 0.5, this 0.5. Now next will be 0.6. Again this, where is the a? Its a value will be 0.7. Yes or no? Its value will be 0.7. Now here is the 1, then 1.1, 1.2, 1.3. So what will the value of b? Its value will be 1.3. What is the value of c? So 1.5, 1.6, 1.7. So c's value will be 1.7. Just you have to count these values exactly 2 it is given. So in the decimal this is the 2, but you have to write in the decimal, so write 2.0. Okay, similarly you have to count and move on here. Okay, so one by one you can write the value of all, like e, f, g, h. Okay, so your homework is exercise 9a and all this, and you have to solve it. Okay.